శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. All the Maharshis, Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying to Suta Maharshi like this: O Suta Maharshi, Srimannarayana's divine attributes, there is no limit to them. How much ever we listen, we still would not be listening to all of them. There will be so many left. How much ever we listen, we will not be satisfied. And how much ever we listen, the taste in the attributes of Paramatma would never go down. O Suta Maharshi, such Paramatma's, Srihari's divine stories, please disclose to all of us. And also we heard that those who are telling Paramatma's stories, those who are listening to Paramatma's stories, both of them will get purified. O Suta Maharshi, you are the one who have devoted yourself to Paramatma. You are the one who feel that Paramatma is everything to you. Such great devotee you are. And now please susrushatam no vitanotu vidvan. We have so much of interest in listening to Srimannarayana stories. You please keep on disclosing us in detail about Srimannarayana stories. Oh, my dear learned Suta Maharshi, Harehe Udaram Charitam Visuddham, Paramatma's the pure, wonderful, miraculous stories you now start giving us. Like this, all the Saunaka and other Maharshis requesting Suta Maharshi and also saying that, O Suta Maharshi, we heard that Parikshin Narendra has taken help of Vyasa's son Sri Sukha Maharshi, and he, with the help of Sukha Maharshi, he heard entire Bhagavatam, and then with that jnanam, with that devotion, Parikshin Narendra has attained Bheje Khagendra Dvajapada Moolam. He attained Srimannarayana. We would like to learn about all that. Please bless us all the divine stories of Paramatma. Like this, Saunaka and other Maharshis requesting Sri Suta Maharshi. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimanarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.